This is our day 2 of the meditation journey. Find a comfortable position, relax your body, and gently close your eyes. For the next 2 minutes, there is nothing you need to do. Just bring your attention to your breath. Slowly inhale through your nose. And gently exhale. Again, inhale slowly. And exhale softly. Don't try to control your breath. Simply notice the air entering your body and notice the air leaving your body. If your mind wanders, that's okay. Gently bring your attention back to your breath. Inhale. Exhale. Stay with your breath. Just breathe.